coming to Dr. Reagan's office now for about 2.5 weeks. I suffered a very significant injury to my left knee. My ligament actually tore clear off the bone. And I was frightened. I'm a mom of young children, and I wondered what I was going to do. And I came in here, and I've been actually under the Magnesphere now. I've had several different treatments, and just yesterday, I stood up for the first time, and I actually felt no pain. No stabbing, shooting pains. I actually could put weight on my knee and without my crutches, and I was able to do minimal walking in my house. That is tremendous, considering I was told that this would take quite some time, and so I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, Dr. Regan. You all truly helped me to get my life back faster.